Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
To Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you guys have an Alfa Romeo 159 or Fiat Croma, guys, with a 1.8 EcoTech engine, guys, this engine is developed by Opel and it's been used in Alfa Romeo and Fiat as well. It's the 1.8, and if you're guys trying to find the timing belt marks, stay with us and we'll explain where the timing belt marks are and all that stuff. Every car, guys, usually that we get in the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So we have, guys, the engine apart already. I'll explain what needs to be done for the timing belt replacement. This one is on Chevy, but the same engine is used on Alfa Romeo 159 and Fiat Croma, guys. 1.8 engine. You need some special tools for the timing belt replacement. These tools will be listed in the description of the video below. So now let me show you guys quick. Okay, you need to remove your fender liner here. Okay, the crankshaft pulley, and you're going to notice that this is top dead center, guys. Top dead center right here. This mark will need to match with this one here. So okay, you need to do that. Next, guys, what you need to do, this is top dead center. Now right here, as you can see, guys, let me show you. This is the intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. Right here you have one dot, guys, one dot, and here, okay, you have one little dot on that tooth, okay, right there. Okay, you can kind of see it. Okay, so these dots, they will not be exactly matching, okay, they will be barely passing each other. You can see this one and this one. The two, guys, okay, that line will be between the two dots, like on the bottom of this one and on top of the other one. These two you can install it just like that, guys. Okay, you can see that plane needs to be centered with the dots. So I've seen most of the people just doing it like that, but this is a variable timing gears, guys, sprockets, and there is always a chance that you can move the camshafts a little bit. So what I will recommend, guys, remove your valve cover. Okay, and once you remove the valve cover, okay, we're going to use another tool right here. This is the camshaft aligning tool. Okay, this tool right here, it goes in the canals of the camshafts, okay, and it locks them in place. So that way you will know that you have the perfect timing, guys, on the intake exhaust camshaft and also on the variable timing on the front as well. So this is it, guys. The whole video is on the channel from start to finish. It takes quite a bit of time. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos. If you have any recommendations, drop a comment below, and hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to you. Thank you.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.